Hello, welcome to my channel CNCR Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question from class 11 physics topic vector. The question is, two billiard balls are rolling in a flat table. One has a velocity component, Vx is 1 meter per second and Vy is root 3 meter per second. And the other has component Vx dash is 2 meter per second and Vy dash is 2 meter per second. If both the balls start moving from the same point, what is the angle between their paths? Now, first of all, we draw the diagram and understand what the question want to say. Say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now, before I draw the direction of path, angle for first is given by tan theta, which is equals to nothing but slope, which is equals to Vy upon Vx, that is equals to root 3 by 1. So tan theta 1 is root 3. Therefore, theta 1 is equals to 60 degree. Similarly, for second billiard ball, tan theta 2 is equals to slope, that is equals to V dash y upon V dash x, which is equals to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Therefore, theta 2 is equals to 45 degree. So now I draw the diagram. This is first ball, which makes an angle of 60 degree with x-axis, and this is second ball, which makes an angle of 45 degree. Then the angle between the two balls is this much. Therefore, the angle between two balls is theta 1 minus theta 2, that is equals to 60 minus 45. So the angle between the two balls is 15 degree. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.